Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss on a question related to enthalpy change. The equilibrium constant for the formation of sulfur trioxide from sulfur dioxide and oxygen is 1.7 times 10 to the power of 8 at 600 Kelvin and decreased to 4.5 times 10 to the power of 3 at 1000 Kelvin. Based on this information, approximate the enthalpy change in kilojoule per mole for the reaction using the appropriate thermodynamic relationship. For this question, the equation that you can use is ln K2 divided by K1 is equivalent to negative delta H divided by R 1 over T2 minus 1 over T1. Right. So you don't have to worry about the K1 and K2. Actually, if you want to use K1 divided by K2, you can, but make sure this one is T1 minus T2. So it's interchangeable, so you can use whichever formula that you feel comfortable to use as long as you put the temperature and the K, which is the constant, in the appropriate position. Alright, so now we just have to plug in the value given in the question. So I'm going to use K2 above. So it's going to be 4.5 times 10 to the power of 3 divided by 1.7 times 10 to the power of 8 is equivalent to negative delta H divided by R, which is 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin, and then your 1 over T2. So your T2 should be 1000 Kelvin and your T1 should be equivalent to 600 Kelvin. Right, so from here you will get your delta H should be equivalent to ln 2.6471 times 10 to the power of negative 5 divided by negative 1 over 1500 Kelvin times 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Right. So basically what you need to do is you just have to plug in these values in your calculator. You will get your delta H because supposedly negative delta H you should get 1.3144 times 10 to the power of 5 joule per mole. But since you want just delta H, so you're going to put the negative here. So 1.3144 times 10 to the power of 5 joule per mole. So this one, because you want it to be in kilojoule, so you need to divide by 1000. So basically, at the end, you should get your final answer should be equivalent to delta H equivalent to negative 1.3143 times 10 to the power of 2 kilojoule per mole. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.